Good morning, student. Today we are going to discuss about the ozone in 6A group elements. Part 5th, chemistry second year English medium. Here is today discuss about the ozone in 6A group elements. Ozone general formula O3. O3 also called as a ozone. O3 also called as a ozone. Ozone general formula O3. It is an allotropic form of oxygen. Here is the ozone is an allotropic form of oxygen. Allotropic means that the phenomenon of the existence of the elements having more than physical properties. More than physical forms and having a same chemical property. It is also known as a allotropy. The phenomenon of existence of elements having more than physical properties or more than physical forms and having a same chemical property. It is also known as a allotropy. Here is the ozone is an allotropic form of oxygen. Here is the ozone is an allotropic form of oxygen which is present in highest of 20 kilometers. Here is the ozone is present. Ozone is present at highest of 20 kilometers on the earth crust. Here is the ozone is present at a highest of 20 kilometers of the earth crust. There is the ozone is present in 1 to 16 kilometers or 1 to 20 kilometers in the earth crust, highest of the 20 kilometers from the earth crust. And another one, it is highly reactive compound. It is highly reactive. Here is the more reactive with the another compounds. Here is the highly reactive with the and formed from the atmospheric oxygen. It is a highly reactive compound. It is formed from the atmospheric oxygen in the presence of the sunlight. It is present at the earth surface at the highest of the 20 kilometers from the earth crust. Remaining another one, the ozone is more reactive and formed from the atmospheric oxygen. It is formed from the atmospheric oxygen in the presence of the sunlight. Ozone is also known as a highly reactive compound and more reactive. It is formed from the atmospheric oxygen in the presence of the sunlight. The ozone is protected earth surface from the ultraviolet radiation. Here is the ozone layer formed from the atmospheric oxygen in the presence of the sunlight, and it is protected from the earth surface from the ultraviolet radiation. Next, another one, ozone can be prepared. Here is the ozone, preparation of the ozone. Here is the main important in annual examination 8 marks question. That is the preparation. How is the preparation of the ozone? How is the react with the metal of the and non-metals of the silver, mercury, ethylene, next iodine. That is the chemical reactions. Here is the 8 marks question, preparation of ozone. Here is the first one. Ozone can be prepared by the passing of the dry stream of oxygen slow through the silent electrical discharge, then form of the ozone. Here is the ozone can be prepared. Ozone can be prepared passing dry stream of oxygen can slowly through the silent electrical discharge, then form of oxygen converted to ozone. This reaction also known as a endothermic reaction. Here is the 3 moles of oxygen converted to the 2 moles of ozone at equilibrium constant Here is the 3 moles converted to 2 moles. At a time it is the reaction is also known as a endothermic reaction. The endothermic reactions means that here is the attraction of the heat. That is also known as a endothermic reaction. Here is the gaining of heat or energy. Gain of energy. Loss of electron energy. That is also known as exothermic reaction. But here is the reaction is also called as a endothermic reaction. Gaining of energy. That is also called as a endothermic reaction. That is the preparation of the boson. Ozone can be prepared by the passing of the dry stream of oxygen passing through the silent electrical discharge, or slowly through the silent electrical discharge oxygen converted to the boson. That is the preparation of the boson. In this reaction also endothermic reaction at equilibrium constant. The 2 moles oxygen converted, 3 moles oxygen converted to the 2 moles of the boson. That is also known as a preparation of oxygen. Ozone can be prepared by a silent, here is the passing through the dry stream, oxygen slow the electrical silent discharge, then oxygen converted to the boson. Next another one, physicochemical properties of the ozone. The pure ozone exists or consists form of pale blue gas. It exists as a blue gas nature and dark blue in liquid and violent black solid. That is the pure form of the ozone. The pure form of the ozone. The pure ozone O3 exists in the form of pale blue gas and dark blue in the liquid and violet black in the solid. That is the first physicochemical property. Next another one, an individual fuel difficulty in the breathing. Its concentration arises above the 100 ppm, 100 parts per million, causing the headache and nausea. Here is the less concentration does not react with the any harmless, but here is the an individual fuel of the difficulty in the breathing. Its concentration arises above the 100 parts per million, causes headache and nausea and diarrhea. That is the causes of the ozone. Then arises the 100 parts per million. Next another one, it is thermodynamically unstable compound. Here is the ozone is and thermodynamically unstable. Next another one, high concentration of ozone may lead to explosive compound. Here is the next property, high concentration. The low concentration of the ozone is the non-harmless, and a high concentration of ozone may lead to highly explosive reactions. For example, explosive compounds, nitric oxide and nitrogen oxides are highly explosive compound. But here is the high concentration of ozone may lead to the explosive reactions or explosive compounds. Next another one, it acts as a powerful oxidizing agent. Ozone acts as a powerful oxidizing agent. That oxide lead to, for example, lead sulfide to lead sulfate, iodide ion to iodide. That is the powerful oxidizing of the ozone. Here is the oxidation reaction. So here is the ozone act as a powerful oxidizing agent. So that oxidizes lead to sulfide to sulfate, iodide ion to iodine. That is the powerful oxidation reactions of the ozone. Then another reactions of the oxidizing agent of the powerful oxidizing agent of O3. Reaction with lead sulfide and iodide ion, next one mercury and silver, next one is the ethylene. That is the oxidizing reactions of the ozone. Act as a powerful oxidizing agent that oxidizes lead to the lead sulfide to lead sulfate. Here is the reaction with lead sulfide. The lead sulfide oxidizes with the ozone. Lead sulfide to lead sulfate. That is the reaction with the lead sulfide. Second one, iodide ion, oxidizing agent of the O3. Here is the reaction with iodide ion. 2 moles of the iodide ion oxidizing with the ozone to form of a iodide. That is the powerful oxidizing reactions. Next, another one, it also oxidizes with the metal like that mercury and silver, their respective oxides. Here is the silver, Ag, and mercury. Those are the metals like that the reactor combining with the powerful oxidizing agent, then form of the respective oxides. Here is the mercury oxides or silver oxides. Here is the mercury. The mercury combining with them or react with the ozone to form of a mercury oxide and oxygen. The mercury oxide are dissolved with the mercury solution. Mercury oxide dissolved with the mercury solution. Then loss of the meniscus at the layer. Loss of the meniscus in the form of the test tube layer. That is also known as a tailing of mercury. What is the tailing of mercury? Write the reaction. That is the more important in 2 marks question. What is the tailing of mercury? Here is the mercury react with the ozone to form of a mercury oxide. Then mercury oxide dissolved with the mercury solution. Then loss of meniscus. It is also called as a tailing of mercury. Then removal of the meniscus. It is highly added to the water molecule, then adapt. Then here is the removal of the mercury oxides. That is the respective oxygen, respective oxides. Next one, silver oxidizing with the ozone to form of a silver oxides. Next, another reaction with ethylene or ethene. CH2 double bond, CH double bond CH2. Ethylene, here is the ethylene oxidizing with the ozone to form of a ethylene ozonized. Ethylene ozonized. That is the oxidation reactions of the ozone. Next, another one, structure of ozone. Here is the ozone. Here is the O3. 2 canonical structures of hybrid structure, that is the angular movement. That is the angular structures. That is the bond angle is the 1 degrees. That is the 2 canonical structures of the ozone. Next, another one, uses of the ozone. Ozone is used as a sterilizing of water. Here is the ozone is also used as a sterilizing of water and used as a germicide and disinfectant. Ozone also used as a sterilizing of water and disinfectant, and another one is the germicide. Next, another one, it is also used bleaching of oils, another one flowers, and another one carbohydrates. That is the bleaching of the oils and flowers and carbohydrates compounds. Next, another one holy flowers. That is also known as a uses of ozone. Next, another one, ozone is also used for the manufacture of the potassium permanganate. It is also used as a manufacture of the potassium permanganate, KMnO4 solution. Next, another one, it is used as a strong oxidizing agent in the laboratory. Here is the ozone is also used as a strong oxidizing agent of in the laboratory. That is the uses of ozone. Ozone used as a sterilizing of water and germicide and disinfectant. Next another one, it is used as a bleaching of oils, holy flowers and carbohydrates, and another one flowers. Next another one, it is used for the manufacture of potassium permanganate. Next another one, it is used as a strong oxidizing agent. That is the preparation of ozone and physicochemical properties and oxidation reactions and structure of ozone. Next another one, uses of the oxygen. That is the 8 marks question. Okay, thank you.